How to log into your Wells Fargo Bank's online banking account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Wells Fargo Bank's online banking account. So the first thing you want to do is go to any web browser on your mobile device or your desktop, and in the web address bar type in wellsfargo.com. Now once you're on the official homepage of Wells Fargo, on the left side of the screen you can see the login box. So in order to log in, all you have to do is simply enter your username, password, and once you click sign on, you'll be successfully able to log in to your Wells Fargo Bank's online banking account. But in any case, if you forgot either your username or your password or both, what you can do to reset that is simply click on the option forgot username or password. In order to reset them, you can simply enter your social security number or your ITIN. And if you forgot your password, you can also use your username. And once you follow all the steps provided to you, you'll be successfully able to reset your username or password, whichever one you've forgotten. And once you've done that, again come back to the main home page of Wells Fargo. And now, after you enter your credentials, you'll surely be able to log into your Wells Fargo Bank's online banking account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.